Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you we have the ADDTOP solar charger. It's a portable power bank. It charges your devices. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So here's the box. Here's the back of it. This is a 26,800 milliamp battery in it. There's a T55X. So inside you get your user manual. You get your USB-A to USB-C. And here is the battery bank. So here is your solar charger. So put this in the sun and it'll charge the battery. I'll charge the battery that's built inside. Here you have your LED indicators. On the other side you have your power button. And this will also let you check the battery percentage as well. Something on the back. On top you have a rubber cover. Open it up and pull it back. You have your USB-A, USB-C, and another USB-A. So as you can see, it has out 3, and in and out 1, and out 2. And you have your, on the back you have your lightning, you have your USB-A, and you have your USB-C. So here you can see it has an out, an in, and another out. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at these ports and cables. So you have 3 ways of charging this power bank. First one is solar. Second is USB-C. So here I have a USB-C cable attached to a hub. You can see the LED indicator flashing to let you know it's charging. And this is through the USB-C port. Second option is to use an outlet and using the built-in USB-A cable, and here it's marked off as in. So simply take it out of its holder, insert it, and it's charging as well. So if it's a cloudy day and you're near an outlet, you can go ahead and use the USB-A if you don't have a cable with you. Or you can just use USB-C cable. If you do have it, you can plug it in. So let's go ahead and take a look at the devices. So let's go ahead and plug in USB-A. I have this plugged into my Samsung Galaxy S21. And it's charging. Let's go ahead and plug in lightning cable into my iPad. It's charging. You can see the little icon as well. So both of these devices are coming out of the USB-A. So let's go ahead and take a look at the built-in cables. So with the built-in cables, let's go with the Lightning. Charging, and you have the charging icon. USB-C. And it's charging as well. So you have two devices. Probably plug in total four more, so 2 more USB-As to charge your devices all at the same time. So here I have micro USB to USB-A. Plug that into here. Charge portable LED light. And it's blinking to let you know it is charging. So you can charge multiple devices. And because there's so many devices, my Samsung actually showed up showing that slow charging because it's all the power is being distributed to 3 different devices, or potentially 4th. But you can charge all your devices all at the same time. Obviously, the more devices you plug in, the more of your power is going to be distributed between them. So this is the ADDTOP solar charger. Till next time, see ya.